How to get USDT address in Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Binance account, then head up to your spot wallet on Binance. Just simply click on spot and wait for it to load. After that, just simply click on this option of deposit. The process is quite similar even on mobile device, so just click on the right options and you will get it. After that, select the option of deposit crypto. Now here on the select coin option, select USDT. Since we are looking for USDT address, we will select USDT. On the network side, just select any of the network according to your preference and needs, and just select any particular address. Suppose I want to select the TRX or Tron address for USDT, I will get the address for Tron. And in case if you are looking for any other address, just simply select that particular address. Suppose I am looking for Ethereum USDT address, I will select Ethereum as network and the address will be changed. Now here you can just simply click on this option of copy. Now over here you can just simply click on this option of copy and share it up, and this way you will get the address for USDT on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.